In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make logo bigger in Shopify. We will do this directly inside the Shopify theme editor, using the built-in settings that control your header logo size. This method is quick, safe, and does not require any code changes, so it is a great first option if your logo looks too small on your storefront. Start by going to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store. Then go to Themes and look for your current active theme. In that theme area, click the option to edit your theme so you can access the customization tools. Next, click Customize next to your active theme. This opens the visual theme editor, where you can adjust how your store looks and preview changes in real time. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct theme, since stores sometimes have multiple themes installed. Once you are in the theme editor, look to the left sidebar where all of your sections and settings are listed. Find and select the header section. The header controls what appears at the top of your store, including your logo, navigation, and sometimes announcement bars, depending on your theme. After you select header, look through the available settings until you locate the logo width slider. Different themes may organize settings slightly differently, but the label should clearly indicate logo width. This slider is the main control for increasing the displayed size of your logo without changing the actual logo file. Now drag the slider to the right to increase the size. As you move it, watch the preview update so you can see exactly how the logo looks on your storefront. Increase the width gradually. A useful tip is to aim for a size that is easy to read and visually balanced with your menu, so the logo does not crowd other header elements. When you are happy with the new logo size, click Save. Saving is important because the preview will not apply to your live store until you commit the change. After saving, give the header one last look in the preview to confirm the logo appears crisp and centered, and that is all there is to it.